Hey you guys, welcome again to this new video, and I hope we'll bring you another video with more Overwatch. God, I'm so bad at speaking. Never mind, we're gonna play Storm Rising again. Last time we played the story mode, but now we're gonna play all heroes. On normal again. Because you know, I am a noob at everything. And now we wait. What do I have here? Oh, one moment, just putting my Discord on don't interrupt. All heroes normal Havana. Let me pick Torbjorn, the IKEA dwarf.
Sojourn here. I'm isolating Maximilian's position. I'll have it in a few seconds.
Hello.
Hello there.
Hey.
I am the
Maximilian's at the Don Rombotico distillery.
I am the IKEA dwarf.
The power of destruction.
Enemy coming in. Turret being destroyed.
We lost track of Max once he got inside. They sealed the place up tight and our satellites are blind. Be ready for anything.
Look at you. My turret.
So, this is how you play attacking turret.
Sneak up on you. Dropship inbound.
Oh crap, that's an assassin. Help, 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 help. Help, help, help.
I'm overloading. Assassins
Clear out the
down.
building and find Max. I'm opening the doors now. Stay on your toes.
No, not yet, not yet.
Behind you.
Show them what I need healing.
Moira, can I get some healing, please? Thank you.
They've locked down the distillery. Hang tight while I get you a way out. I show multiple Talon units converging on your position.
They're coming in from above.
Prepare for enemy engagement.
Have some ship.
They've deployed a sniper.
Good as new. Snipers down.
Think I'm gonna keep my ult for like... No, no, it's good. I was going to keep my ult for like another special, like a big guy. Not enforcer big, but like tank big.
He's on you.
Assassin eliminated.
Max
Molten. Oh nee. Oh no. This is basically molten core without the maximum turret. I'm gonna try something. Just wait until my maximum power is recharged.
Have your soul surrender to my will?
And we got ourselves a dead assault. Is my turret
It
alright?
looks like Max has barricaded himself in the seaport. There's a truck with explosives near your position. You're gonna need them to get inside.
You can go, I will stay on the payload. I am the IKEA dwarf.
Enemy dropship coming in!
Alright, I need backup, I need backup, I need backup. Not yet, Wolf. Wolf's inviting me for a group, but I'm not yet going.
Don't worry, I'll patch you up.
Our enemies approach.
They've broken a sniper! Under fire! Sniper's down!
Yeah, you fake Widowmaker.
Hold it together!
Allow me to repair the damage.
I'm ready to initiate self-destruct sequence.
Assassin.
Oh crap, 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 crap. Not good, not good, not good. Not good, not good, not good, not good, not good. He's always... Why is the assassin always choosing Reaper? I need my turrets.
Good work. Clear out the area, then blow the door.
Alright. Just
Prepare for
just have to ask.
surrender to my will.
Dropship! Look out!
Can I? No, I'm not gonna do it. I was thinking to ult my do my ult in the dropship itself. Oh, I like this music.
Sniper on our
She's
radar.
over there! Sniper's down!
They deployed a sniper.
They've brought in a sniper!
I'm eliminating all the snipers.
Heavy assault unit engaging.
I'm meleeing him. The guy can survive a nuke, Jesus Christ.
Enemies eliminated.
Good work. All enemies eliminated.
Being
Get that
destroyed!
truck going.
we did it. Pleasure working with you guys. I took the less damage, that's good. Well, well, thank you for watching, and I hope I see you next time. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, because it will really help me. Bye!